Beginner makeup tutorial. Apply primer before foundation. Take a small amount on a brush and apply where coverage is needed. Place concealer on your under-eye, forehead and chin to conceal and brighten. Let the concealer sit for a moment for maximum coverage. Use setting powder to set and hold makeup and to reduce shine. Apply your bronzer contour on your cheekbones, forehead and jawline to sculpt the face. Smile and add blush to the apples of your cheeks. Place your highlighter where the light naturally hits to increase glow on the skin. Lastly, spray setting spray to melt products together.